I'll stay here in case there's out the window. You guys go down. Okay.
Okay.
Me and Gabe there. Go! Don't go! I see somebody. Don't!
Did I hear something?
Probably just go. He's probably just freaking out.
Wow.
What?
Watch out!
What?
I saw something.
Where?
Just watch. I don't know.
Okay, be careful. Where?
On your left.
What the hell is that?
Get him!
Let's go.
Get him! She dead!
Make sure she's dead. Dead. What the hell is that?
She dead?
No.
Get him!
I'm sure he's dead now.
Let's go.
Get back.
Go. What the hell is that?
Let's go. We gotta get out of here. Alright, I'll just
Watch your back.
I'm the new guy. I get so
This is weird.
this guy up there.
Snipe him. I think
I'm going in.
Give a flag. Over here!
Move up. Get gun. Get down.
Get down!
I think he saw us.
In 3 seconds, you'll run towards him. 3, 2, 1, go!
Cover me.
To the top of the hill! Flank! Flank back, Neil! To the top of the hill!
What the heck?
Flank back! Neil!
Get my sword and come back. Guys, something's here. Something that we don't know of. What kind of film is that? Sorry.
Okay, let's rest here, you guys. I don't think he can see us.
guys. Something slashed me. I have claw marks.
Okay, guys. You scout ahead. Dude, something scratched me. I don't get it. Dude, stay back. Me and Neil will be alone.
Whoa, I see
What
him!
the hell?
Shoot!
Get down. Give me your gun. Let's run to safety. Run to safety. Okay. Shot my leg. My arm.
Get down! This thing's obviously strong.
Here.
We gotta make a plan.
I got shot. Come on.
This thing's obviously strong, you guys. We gotta make a plan. Let's go! Flank back! Yeah.
kill every one of them.
This invisible thing's obviously strong. So we can plan.
I'll kill every last one of them.
Are you okay, Nick? Because we can switch positions for now.
I'll be alright. You got the best shot here. I think you should stay sniper.
Scratch and shot.
Last shot right here.
We
I
need to
scratch
make a
right
plan.
here.
Okay,
so
guys.
what's the plan?
You gotta make a plan.
And he's throwing up the hill.
Going up the hill.
I think they're all gone for
We
now.
gotta take over that part of Manitoba right now.
Yeah.
What?